Hello, I want to introduce one of our best-seller product, 45-watt AC charger laptop adapter with 10 tips. As you can see, there are 3 parts of the product when you get it. One is the 10 various tips. One is the charger with undetachable cable. One is the 3-feet detachable cable. The 10 tips are suitable for many brand models of laptops, which is compatible with most HP, Dell, Toshiba, Lenovo, Samsung, Sony, and other brand laptops. When you touch the charger, it's very comfortable because it has rubber oil on surface. You can also see the circle here is a light indicator. When it is working, the light will turn blue. It is very beautiful. Let me show you. You see, when it is working, the light will turn blue.